Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, where pixels are plenty and prices can make your wallet weep. On my left, we have the stunning Canon EOS R10, perfect for those who want to capture every detail of their cat's fur. And on my right, the Canon EOS R10, ideal for those who want to capture every detail of their cat's fur, but on a budget. Let's get into the nitty-gritty and find out which camera deserves a spot in your camera bag. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The EOS R10 is a whopping $3,899. That's right, folks. You could buy a used car or a shiny new camera that can capture 400 megapixel images. Reviewers appreciate its impressive features, saying that it's worth the price for performance and image quality, especially for wildlife and sports photography. On the other hand, the EOS R10 comes in at a much friendlier $1,099. That's the price of a decent laptop or a fancy dinner date, so if you're looking to impress someone, just tell them you got the R10 instead. Users have praised the R10 for its excellent balance of price and performance, making it a solid choice for beginners. Now onto image quality. The EOS R10 is rocking a 45 megapixel full-frame sensor, which means your photos will be so sharp that you could probably use them to cut steak. Reviewers rave about its high image quality, noting it as superior for capturing detail. Meanwhile, the R10 sports a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor. It's like the R5's little brother, who's still trying to figure out life, but can still take pretty decent selfies. Although it's not as high-res, users have found that the R10 produces good quality images, especially for its price point, making it suitable for various photography styles. Let's talk autofocus. The R10 features a dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering approximately 100% of the area with 1,053 AF points, which reviewers highlight as one of its standout features for fast focusing. It's great for tracking people and animals, especially if you're trying to catch your cat doing something cute, like sleeping. Now, the R10 also has smart autofocus with subject detection technology. Users appreciate its autofocus capabilities, noting that it's reliable for beginners, even if it doesn't have the extensive coverage of the R10. Okay, let's talk about continuous shooting speeds. The R10 can shoot up to 20 FPS electronically and 12 FPS with a mechanical shutter. Reviewers love this feature, saying it's perfect for capturing fast action, like your dog chasing a squirrel. The R10 is no slouch either, with 15 FPS mechanical shutter speeds. Reviewers have noted that it's fast enough for everyday photography needs, even if it's not as quick as the R10. Lastly, let's talk size and weight. The R10 is a bit heavier, which means you'll get a workout while you're shooting. Reviewers mention that while it's a bit cumbersome, it offers a comfortable grip and improved handling. The R10, on the other hand, is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. Users love its portability for spontaneous adventures or just a trip to the fridge. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is highly praised for its exceptional image quality, advanced autofocus, and fast continuous shooting, making it a top choice for professionals. However, its high price tag is a common concern. In contrast, the Canon EOS R10 is celebrated for its affordability, good image quality, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent option for beginners and hobbyists, despite some minor drawbacks like battery life and lens availability. So which camera should you buy? If you're a pro photographer with a penchant for high-res images and a bank account that can handle it, the EOS R10 is your best bet. But if you're just starting out or want to save some cash for that fancy dinner date, the R10 has got your back. Remember, it's not just about the gear, it's about how you use it. So, grab your camera, get out there, and start capturing those moments. Just maybe not your breakfast, unless you're really feeling it. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Now go forth and shoot. Just don't forget to feed the cat first. See you next time.